256GB 13-inch space gray MacBook Pro. Today, we are unboxing it. Stay tuned. After a long wait, I finally have the 13-inch MacBook Pro, and today we're going to be unboxing it. Alright, so you just lift this tab, then, of course, the beautiful Mac. So right, you just lift this, then let's put this on the side first. This is so beautiful, look at that. So in the box, besides the Mac, we have the design by Apple in California, of course, as usual. We have the USB-C to USB-C charger and its adapter, which is located right here. But first, let's check what's inside here. Since honestly, I never purchased a Mac before, it's my first time. But let's check this out. Welcome to your MacBook Pro. MacBook Pro automatically starts up when you lift the lid. Setup assistant helps you get up and running. Thunderbolt 3 USB Type-C, charge your MacBook Pro and connect external storage and display. New bar, FaceTime, HD camera, spotlight, blah 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 blah, power button, force touch trackpad. Okay, so of course, one of my favorite features of the MacBook Pro is that it automatically starts up when you lift up the lid. Then you have this and more Apple stickers. This is beautiful. Let's put this aside. So we have charge brick. That was rather unsatisfying. Whatever. Of course, put this aside. So we have this USB-C that goes in the USB-C. USB-C to USB-C to USB-C. Simple enough. Okay, let's put this on the side. Alright. The actual unit is right here. This is beautiful. It's so light, portable, and of course has decent specs. I mean, it's great for a MacBook, right? I mean, sure, there are a lot other cheaper laptops that have better specs than this, but performance-wise, it could vary, as I said earlier. Alright, we have the beautiful MacBook Pro right here. That is beautiful right there. So we have the bottom here. Okay, it's pretty much all aluminum. Then let's lift this up. Then that opens up the... Okay, that is beautiful. Oh, what I love about the MacBook is just the gestures on the trackpad. That is so beautiful. You can just scroll easily. I mean, sure, other laptops have this, but it's like, you know, it takes it to a different level. Password. Oh, the keyboard is beautiful. If you haven't owned a Mac before, you should go grab it, or at least test it in the store. The keyboard is beautiful. Light or dark? Second light. I'll go with the dark mode. I like it dark. Okay, let's go with that. Of course, it matches the space gray. Setting up your Mac. Can we change the brightness? Yeah, we can change the brightness. Max brightness. Boom. Okay, we're in. So we have the classic things, Finder, MacBook. Oh, okay. So we also have the calendar apps here, right there. And this is beautiful. All my notifications from my iPhone are now going to the Mac. The Apple ecosystem. Oh, this is beautiful. All my iCloud uploads are now here. Applications. Cool, this chest. Contacts, GarageBand. The usual Mac stuff. Okay, that is beautiful. This is beautiful. And I'm loving the dark mode right now. So let's check out system preferences, however you want to pronounce it. And you know I love tweaking stuff. So let's just tweak this a bit. Okay, general. Appearance, accent color, blue, highlight color. Of course I want blue. Size bar, medium, automatically hide and show the menu. I want that. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, these are all beautiful. You know what? So that I won't take much of your time, since you guys know most of the basic Mac stuff, I guess, you know, this is pretty much it. This is the Mac. You know what? Before we end the video, let's try testing the speakers. Let's play one of my best songs, Cinnamon. Let's try putting this Mac speakers on. Testing out the speakers. This is beautiful. Check out the speakers. This is really great for a laptop. I mean, they're not really great mind-blowing speakers, but they're great enough. They're loud, clear, and have great quality, considering this is not yet buffered. You know, like, it's not the high quality YouTube yet. But it sounds great. Anyway, so these are the speakers right here. Both here on the sides. And of course, oh yeah, we could change the brightness here of the keyboard. Let me just test that. Let me turn it off and then let's see how it looks. Let me switch off the lights and just show the top camera. So this is how the MacBook looks when there's no light at all. As you can see on the top camera, you could see the keyboard lit up, and you can change the brightness of the keyboard, the backlighting. Of course, for those people who have RGB lights, could be different. I mean, for those people with RGB keyboards, this is nothing new to you. But for those who have basic laptops, it's great. Let's turn on the lights again. Anyway, so this is the MacBook Pro, my unboxing and my first impressions of it. Coming from a Windows user ever since I was born. Again, my first Mac. And I guess I could post a full review soon. And of course, who knows, maybe the 2019 Macs would go out. And we could compare this to the latest release soon. Yeah, that was my unboxing, first impressions, and I hope you guys like the setup that I have right now. Anyways, that was my unboxing, and as always, it would be great if you could follow me on Facebook, SoundCloud, and Twitter, as well as subscribing to both my channels on YouTube. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.